Hello friends, we have come across this public notice published in a local newspaper of Goa by one Mr. R.K. Tripathi and Associates, lawyers and attorneys, saying that his client is willing to purchase a property bearing survey number 20, subdivision number 2 of village Moite. Moite falls in a village panchayat jurisdiction of Asnora. So in that, this particular property, which is at measuring 1,62,000 square meters, this particular association, R.K. Tripathi and Associates, has a client who is willing to purchase it. So this is to inform you, sir, that this particular property, that is 20/2 of Moitem village, is largely comprising of non-development slopes with natural cover. A canal is passing through it, a 30 meters road is passing through it, and by and large you won't be getting much of development right to this property. Even if you manage to, even if you purchase it, and even if someone has promised you that you will be getting development rights, we are having access to TCP minister or we are having access to CM, we will get the permissions for you, there are provisions in the act of TCP department and all. If someone has promised you, then be rest assured we will be challenging those permissions and your investment might be blocked. Because this particular property is not into development zone. You are willing to purchase 1,62,000, that will be costing you huge amount of money. So our advice is, don't invest yourself into this type of properties on assurances of these brokers who are operating locally here. They will be vanishing once the matter goes to court, and you will be blocked with your money into the legal system. Because this type of properties are not meant for development. It is non-development slopes, and non-development slopes are water security for the people of Goa. Add to that, I will switch to Konkani, because this part of the video was for Mr. R.K. Tripathi and Associate. The rest part of the video is for our local people. So इश्टानो हो जो जागो जो आता R.K. Tripathi म्हणून जो कोण आता तेजो कडेन क्लायंट आहा थंय तो घेवपाक सोदता तो गोंयच्या काय गोंयच्या भायलो देवाक खबर. हांकां इतले कॉन्फिडन्स खंयच्यान येता की असल्या प्रॉपर्टीनी पयशे घालून डेव्हलपमेंट परमिशन तांकां मेळटलीच म्हणून खंयच्यान येता ते सांगता. ब्रोकर मिनिस्टर थंय बसलेलो आहा, TCP मिनिस्टर, तो एक्कान एक जागो सेटलमेंट म्हणून कन्वर्ट करून दिवपाक तयार आहा. ताका जर पोटल्यो पावता जाल्यार बॅगां पावता जाल्यार. सो असले ब्रोकर ते 70 वाल्यांनी निवडून दिल्लेले आसा. ते 70चे लोक अख्ख्या लोकांक फोंडान घालपाक उठला, त्यांच्या मिनिस्टर, त्यांच्या मंत्र्या सकट, आमदारा सकट. पण तुमकां आनी स्पेशली बार्देजकारांक सांगता, थंयच्यान तिलारी इरिगेशनाचे कॅनल पास जाता ह्या प्रॉपर्टींतल्यान. रस्त्याच्या ते सायडीन ह्या प्रॉपर्टीच्या रस्त्याच्या ऑपोजीट असनोरा वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आहा जो अख्ख्या बार्देज तालुक्याक उदक पावयता. ह्या असणारा वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाच्या कुशीकूच महिंद्रान व्हडले रेजॉर्ट घातलेले आहा. सो तुमचे ड्रिंकींग वॉटर इज ऑलरेडी एट रिस्क. And by chance, if this property gets development permission for any nature, then your drinking water will be, as far as quality is concerned, I am not talking about quantity here. हांव तुमच्या उदकाच्या प्रमाणाचे उलयतना, तुमच्या उदकाच्या क्वॉलिटी ह्याचो हांगासर जर डेव्हलपमेंट जालो जाल्यार तेजो कितें इफेक्ट जातलो तो तुमी विचार करा. अख्ख्या बार्देज तालुक्याक ह्या वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाच्यान उदक पुरवठे जाता. सो तुम्ही विचार करा, तुमकां हे असली सरकार जे तुमची पाया पोंदची जमीन सुद्दां विकून खावपाक तयार आसा, तांकां जर कस्टमर्स मेळटा तांकां पोटल्यो पावता जाल्यार तुमकां असले परत निवडून हाडूंक जाय काय नाका हे विचार करा इश्टानो. आनी विचार करपाची गरज येयल्लेली आसा. कित्याक आतां हो तुमच्या भुरग्यांचो आनी नातरांचो प्रश्न उरलेलो ना, तुमच्या अस्तित्वाचो आनी तुमच्या जगण्याचो प्रश्न जाल्लेलो आहा. विचार करा. देव बरें करूं.